Good morning, students. Today we will discuss part 2 of exponents and power. In previous part, we have done exercise 13.1 from NCERT and exercise 5A from R.S. Agrawal. In this video, exercise 13.2, I will tell you. Exercise 13.2, first question. In first video, I told you some formula, like say a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. In this exercise, we can use that formula. First one, 3 power 2 into 3 power 4 into 3 power 8. 3 power 2 into 3 power 4 into 3 power 8. Solution. We know that formula since a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. Therefore, 3 power 2 into 3 power 4 into 3 power n equal to 3 power 2 plus 4 plus 8. 4 to 6 is 14. Means 3 power 14 is the answer. Base is equal. Base is equal. So exponent we can do add. You don't think that time. Kisa told me a power n into a power n equal to a power m plus n. So here you can write a power p also, a power o also. Means if digit n is 2 variable, no problem with that. If like this, you can write one more. Clear? 3 power 2 into 3 power 4 into 3 power 8, no problem is there. Here if base is equal, the exponent we can do plus. Means 3 power 2 plus 4 plus 8 means 3 power 14. Okay? It was the first question. Second one is, I am telling you, second one, 6 power 15 divided by 6 power 10. Clear? So this formula, a power m divided by a power n equal to a power m minus n. Clear? So therefore, 6 power 15 divided by 6 power 10 equal to 6 power 15 minus 10. Clear? Means 6 power 5. Base is equal, but here divide sign is there. We can do minus. Clear? We will do here minus. So 6 power 15 minus 10. So 6 power 5. Clear? Note down this. The first page. 3 power 4 power 3. Finding. We know that a power m power n equal to a power m into n. So here also 3 power 4 power 3 equal to 3 power 4 into 3 means 3 power 12. 4 3 is clear? A power m power n means a power m into n means power into power we can do. Clear? Here also 3 power 4 power 3. So 3 power 4 into 3 power 12. 4 3 is 12. Clear? It was first question. Other part you can do. Now question number 2. Simplify and express each of the following in exponential form. Clear? Note down. Second, 2 power 3 into 3 power 4 into 4 upon 3 into 32. Clear? Solution. 2 power 3 into 3 power 4 into 4 upon 3 into 32. Clear? The question is saying simplify and express each of the following in exponential form. Means simplify. Here we will do simplify. So 2 power 3 into 4 by the 2 power 3 means we can write 2 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. 3 power 4 means 3 we can write 4 times. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. अच्छा 4. तो 4 we can write 2 into 2. 2 to the 4. 3. Now 32. तो 32 find the LCM of 32. 2 8 by 60, 4 by 8, 2 by 2. Clear? Here is 2, 2 by 4, 2 by 8, 2 by 60, 2 by 32. Clear? C. 2 power 3 means write 2 3 times. Clear? Not 2 3 by 6. Power is showing how much time you will do multiply of this number. 2 power 3 means 2 you do multiply 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. 3 power 4 means do multiply 4 times. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Clear? 4 means 2 multiple 2. 4. 3 into 32 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How? If you have no lab, how much you can write? You can find the LCM of that number. If any number is given, asking write the in exponential form, write in factorization, so you can do LCM. First you will find the LCM of that. So here 2 into 2 into 2, 3 times is 1 2 3. 1 2 3 cancel because it is in divide form. 2 here is 2 2 so 2 cancel. Clear? 1 3 here 1 3 is cancel. Okay, now you see which number is rest of number you can write 3 into 3 into 3. 3 is 3 times is there. 3 into 3 into 3 means 3 power. Clear? By 3 into 3 only 3 times is there, means 3 power 3, it is the answer. So in second one, asking simplify and express each of the following in exponential form. So first of all, we will do simplify. 2 power 3 into 3 power 4 into 4. So 2 power 3 means 2 write 3 times. 1 2 3. 3 power 4 means 3 write 4 times. 1 2 3 4. 4 into 4. 4 means 2 multiple 2. 2 2 is 4. 3 into 32 means 2 2 is 4. 2 is 8. 16 2 is 32. Clear? Now 3 1 2 3. 3 into 3 into 3 means 3 power 3. Because you don't try 3 into 3 27 because the question is asking following in each of the following in exponential form means answer will be in exponential form. That's why we have written 3 power 3. You don't write 27. Okay, 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27. Okay, because in question is telling each of the following in exponential means answer should be exponential form. Clear? Note down this. Second question. 5 power 2 power 3 into 5 power 4 divided by 5 power 7. 5 power 2 power 3 into 5 power 4 divided by 5 power 7. No problem is there. Clear? First of all, we will solve bracket. Clear? 5 power 2 power 3 into, we know that we can write like this, 2 into 3 upon 5 power 7 divided by 1. Clear? Means 5 power 6 into 5 power 4 upon 5 power 7. Clear? That formula, a power m divided by a power m equal to a power m minus m. Because here is base, here also same, here also same. So here is multiplication, means if base is equal to exponent we can do plus, means 5 power 6 plus 4 upon. Why we are doing plus here? Because multiply sign is there. If divide sign is there, we can do subtract, minus. But here is multiply sign. That's why we have to do plus. 5 power 6 into 5 power 4 means 5 power 6 plus 4 means 5 power 10 by 5 power 7. Clear? So it is in divide form. So we can do 5 power 10. Clear? If this the 5 power 7 means if 5 power 7 you are writing upside, sign will be changed. Divide change in multiply, plus sign change in minus sign. So a power m into a power m, we know that a power m plus m means a power 10 minus 7 equal to 5 power 3. Again I am telling you, 5 power 2 multiples power 3 into 5 power 2 divided by 5 power 2 into 3, 5 power 2 into 3 into 5 power 4 upon 5 power 7 equal to 5 power 6 into 5 power 4 upon 5 power 7. Clear? So 5 power 6 plus 4, 10 upon 5 power 7. So 5 power 10 into 5 power minus 7. Why minus 7 we are writing here? Listen carefully. Because minus sign 5 power 7 given in here also means denominator place. So when you are writing 5 power 7 with numerator, the sign will be changed. Here it is divide one, here it is multiply. Plus sign is there, change in minus sign. Clear? After that, in that formula you will think a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. A power m into a power n. So n equal to minus 7 is given, no problem. But 5 power 10 minus 7 by m plus n. Plus into minus minus, 10 power minus 7 equal to 5 power 3. Clear? Rest question you can do. One more question I am telling you. Second 8. 3 power 0 plus 2 power 0 into 5 power 2. Clear? 3 power 0 plus 2 power 0 into 5. I told you in part 1, if you have seen part 1, so you know very well. If any variable's power is given 0, any number power is given 0, so that value will be 1. Means 3 power 0 is there, means this number place is value is 1. Plus 2 power 0 means 1. Into 5 power 0 means 1. So 1 plus 1, 2 into 1 into 1. Listen carefully. If any number power is given 0, if any number power is given 0, so that number value will be right 1. Clear? A power 0 means 1. D power 0 means 1. 10 power 0 means 1. If power is given 0, if any number and variable's power is given 0, so that value will be 1. Clear? Here say. So here is plus sign. 1 plus 1, 2 into sign, multiply 0, 5 power 0 is 2 1 0. Clear? Third question, set true or false and justify your answer. You can do this question. Clear? Question number 4. Note down this. Question number 4. 108 multiple 192. Clear? 108 multiple 192. Clear? Question is telling कि express each of the following as a product of prime factor only in exponential. Means first of all we will find the LCM. After that write in exponential form. Means your answer should become in exponential form. Clear? 108. Find that. 2 5 10 2 4 2 2 4 2 7 20 3 9 27 3 3 9 3 clear? 192 2 9 3 2 6 2 4 2 60 2 2 4 2 4 2 1 2 2 2 6 2 3 6 3 clear? 2 5 2 4 2 2 4 2 7 3 9 27 3 3 9 3 1 3 2 9 2 6 2 4 2 8 2 2 4 2 4 2 1 2 2 4 2 6 2 3 6 3 clear? We will write here 108 equal to 2 multiple 2 3 multiple 3 192 equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 1 2 3 4 5 6. See, given in multiple form, after that we can write here 108 multiple 192. 108 place we can write 2 into 2 3 into 3 into 3 192 into 2 clear? The total to how much? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 2 power total 3 1 2 3 4 means 108 multiple 192 we can write like this 2 power 8 into 3 power 4, but we have no line. How we get this? First we have done factor LCM. After that we have written place of 108 and 192 this factorization. Clear? This factor we have written. After that we have seen how much 2 is there. 8 is 2 power 8, because in question is asking to write in exponential form. That's why we are writing here. Clear? 2 power 8, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 power 4, 2 power 8 into 3 power 4. Clear? So in question number 4, all the question do like this. Question number 5, simplify. Note down this. Question number 5. 2 power 5 power 2 into 7 power 3. Clear? 8 power 3 into 7. Clear? Question number 5. 2 power 5 power 2 into 7 power 3. 8 power 3 into 7. In question is asking simplify. Not telling write in exponential form, write in direct form. Only simplify means we will simplify this one. Clear? Two power 5 power 2 into 7 power 3. Take 2 power 5 power 2 means 5 multiple 2 power into 7 power 3 or 8 power 3 into 2 power 10. 2 power 10 means we can write 2 10 times. 7 power 3 means we can write 7 3 times. 8 power 3 means we can write it 3 times. The 2 into 2 into 2 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 7 into 7 into 7 8 into 8 into 8 into 7 7 cancel 7 cancel 2 4 ja 8 2 2 ja 4 2 1 ja 2. Clear? 2 4 ja 8 2 2 ja 4 2 1 ja 2. Clear? 2 4 ja 8 2 2 ja 4 2 1 ja 2. Clear? Rest number we can write. Here is 2 multiple 7 multiple 7 and downside no number is there. 2 7 ja 14 7 ja 98. Again see 2 power 5 power 2 into 7 power 3 is given upon 8 power 3 into 7. So 2 power 5 power 2 into 7 power 3 upon 8 power 3 into. So 2 power 5 power 2 is 2 power 10. 5 2 is 10, 2 power 10 into 7 power 3 upon 8 power 3 into 7. So 2 power 10 means we have written 10 times. Achha, suppose that we can do direct transfer, but we have done like this because you understand very nicely. If we will do direct, we understand what we have. Suppose that you are not understand, so there is problem. That's why I am telling you stepwise. Means 2 power 10 means we can write 10 times 2. So you understand very carefully how we can write 10 times 2. So 10 times 2 into 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 2. 7 power 3 means 3 times 7. After that 8 power 3 means 8 into 8 into 8. Clear? Into 7. After that simplify is telling. So 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2. 8 means 2 into 2 into 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 2. 3 2 we will take and one cut 1 8. So after that 9 to cut. After that, 2 is left and 2 7 is left. We have written here 2 into 7 into 7 means 2 7 are 14, 14 7 are 98. It is the answer. If question is not telling here, the write in exponential form. That's why we have written actual value. Clear? I think you understand. Note down this. The 13.2 exercise is completed. Clear? In RS Agarwal exercise 5A, I told you in part 1. Clear? In this part, I am telling you from exercise 5A some questions. Question number 15. Question number 15 was simplify. Exercise 5. 3 power 5 into 10 power 5 into 25 upon 5 power 7 into 6 power 5. Clear? Simplify. 3 power 5 means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 10 power 5 means 10 multiple 10 multiple 10 multiple 10 multiple 10. 25 we can write 5 into 5. Clear? 5 power 7, 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 power 5 is 6 into 6 into 6, 6 into 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? After that, you see which number we can cut. 5 to 10. 5 to 10. Clear? 5 to 10. Clear? 5 to 10. 5 to 10. 5 on the 5. 5 on the 5. Clear? 2 3 is 6. 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 Clear? 3 1 is 3. 3 1 is 3. 3 1 is 3. 3 1 is 3. 3 1 is 6. Clear? So answer is how much? Here is 1 is left. Here is 1 is left. Means answer is 1. Clear? The question is given in exponential form. So first we have expressed this question. After that, see which number we can do cut. We can simplify. So here is all number is cut. So 1 is left, means 1 is answer. Clear? Question number 17. Question number 17. 5 power 2n into 5 power 3 equal to 5 power 9. Clear? 5 power 2n into 5 power 3 equal to 5 power 9. Base is equal, exponent we can do plus. We know that this 5 power 2n into 5 power 3 equal to 5 power 9. Is 5 power 2n plus 3 we can write. Clear? See, 5 power 2n plus 3 equal to 5 power 9. So here base is equal. Here equal sign is there. Multiply, if multiply sign is there, so we can do plus. Clear? But here equal sign is there. And base is also equal. So exponent is also equal. Means 2n plus 3 equal to 9. We can write. Clear? Base is equal. 5 power 2n plus 3 equal to 5 power. So base is equal, so exponent is also equal. We will compare this because in this question find the value of n, asking this variable value. So 2n plus 3 equal to 9. So 2n equal to 9 minus 3. Transposition plus 3 there you will write 9 minus 3. 2n equal to 6. So n equal to 6 by 2. 2 3 is 6. n equal to, it is answer. Clear? 5 power 2n into 5 power 3 equal to 5 power 5. If multiply sign is there or base is equal, so exponent we can do plus, means 5 power 2n plus 3 we can equal to 5 power 1. Here is equal sign is there, that's why base is also equal. The base equal to exponent is also equal to 2n plus 3 equal to 9. We can to compare. Clear? Power to power. 2n plus 3 equal to 9. So find the value of n. Is a find the value of x. Is a find the value of n. So 2n equal to 9 minus 3. Then 2n equal to 9 minus 3 means 6. n equal to 6 by 2. 2 3 is 6. n equal to. Clear? Okay. Thank you, student.